Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Lokesh Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are talking about the statistic in psychology, some myths. There are a lot of students have myths about the statistics and research as well. So, we are talking about the student have fear of statistics. So, from my side, this is the message to everyone. Do not be afraid of statistic and research. Try to explore your surrounding. Even in behavioral sciences, we are dealing with the human being, so you find lot of statistic and research in your daily life. So we can give lot of examples. Even our sleeping time, we just calculate the average how much we sleep in a day, or take a continuous data from first 1 week, so we can calculate the average. So this is the statistic. So the important thing, how we can take it or how we can interpret. There are few other points as well. Why must I learn statistics? There are a lot of students talking about what is the need of statistics, what is the importance of statistics, and even being as a researcher, what is the requirement. So statistics is the integral part of our psychology and behavioral sciences. To understand the statistical concept is very important. Otherwise, we are not able to interpret our, or even we are not. These things is routinely used in day-to-day life as well. But I am not interested in research. Lot of students again say this, I am not interested. I am interested in to help people as well. Even if you are not interested or becoming a researcher, statistics are necessary for the comprehend other people research as well. Suppose you want to help pupils, so obviously being as a layman, you read so many articles, even in newspapers, that if mention the statistic related to COVID-19. So last 2 years we are reading these articles, or on the basis of when we make inferences. So understanding these article or comprehend these article is very important to learn the basic statistic as well. What are statistics? क्या है ये स्टैटिस्टिक? तो टर्म स्टैटिस्टिक इज सिंपली यूज टू for the statistical procedure. Okay, so it's a shortened terms of statistics, the formula and calculation developed by the statistician. Another important thing I want to mention, you are not a statistician or a psychologist that try to develop the formula. Now you are using the formula. It's not means ki you are try to develop or you are going on a depth side of statistics. You just use these formulas for your research purpose. This is the only thing. But I don't know anything about research, so it's okay. There are a lot of students, there are a lot of person, they are not able, even not conduct any research, so you can start any time. So it's not a big deal, you can start any time, any point of time of your life. What if I am not very good at mathematics? There is a lot of confusion ki most of the students consider statistic and research is the math. No, 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 it's not a math course. We just use the some mathematical operation, like simple operations up to 10th class, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, finding square root, and the drawing simple graphs is the important thing. This is the most of the part we cover in through our research and strategy, or continually review the mathematical operation as they are needed. If we required, so we can see the formula and we can calculate it. There are other student as well. They said that what if I am not very good at statistics? So it's not a big deal if you are not very good at statistics. So you can go for further research as well. So first thing is you just go and drawing some use some procedure and the things, so you can easily calculate the things, or memorizing a formula is not required for researcher. So you just as per your need, you can go and use the formula or use these books and softwares as well. Finally, statistics are simply a tool used in research. Statistics is not our cup of tea for day to day formula, not memorizing that formula in depth. We used research statistics as a tool for our research purpose. uh, so all I have to do is learn how to compute the answer. No, statistic procedure are the tool we can learn, that you must learn to apply. is the simple thing. Ultimately you want to make a sense of data. If you have a sense of data, just initially I give the example. Suppose I take a data of your sleep. So if you understand the thing how much number of hours you sleep in a day, is this data is related to this thing. So you can easily compute, or you can easily calculate, or you can easily interpret, or taking inferences as well. So an important thing is to understand why to use each procedure and how to interpret these answers is very important. The calculation part is not a important part. For calculation we can use software, we can use online portal, we can use so many things as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. These are the contact detail of my social networking websites as well. Please like this channel, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please share this video, or your idea. It should be you can send through comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.